So sit back, relax, and enjoy Christmas in the Sun. And to start the program, here is a stage crew with the theme song.
Good evening, everyone, and I'm Dutty Berry, and welcome to a brand new Dutty News, where I talk about trending things that I see on my timeline. Let's get into our top stories. And first up, now the king of the dancehall, Beenie Man, is at risk of losing his foot.
Mr. Moses, doctor and his orthopedic surgeon, he has an injury to the right ankle, and it is recommended that he stays at home, elevate the foot, because if not, the potential of him losing the foot, possibly an amputation, is very high. So I recommend that he does not travel.
Yeah, you see them look at something here, me not like for ear. This is the legend himself, King Beenie Man. I just hope him actually take the doctors them advice and rest up, and so him can get back him strength for continue for on the people them stage. And moving right along now, dancehall artist TJ calls out popcorn.
Me day in a game and I see how much artist style me never can chat them thing yet, bro. Me hold me own. Me see how much artist style me see all man say.
No, honestly, I think this is the clash where we should have say a sting. We should have actually say a TJ and a popcorn clash. Me don't know, they must go up there and just cuss. And now to this developing story. Now, Devon House revamp causes public outrage. Now, this is Devon House before, and this is it after. Wow, where are the trees? But in true Dutty News style, I sent my reporter live on location to give you a more in-depth account. Alright, so box cover Duttyberry here because this is a special report. Me then I'm a little Kirkright energy. So on the say on social media that apparently Devon House will be changing some things. They're going to be renovating, changing the look. People are already complaining because it seems as if all of the trees them gone, there's no more green, and everything is going to be concrete. So I'm gonna try to just jump in and see if I can take a little prips to find out what is going on. Oh, so this is it. This is it. Come on. I'm trying to think about it. I don't know if okay, this is interesting. Yeah, Berry does look, just look, and you give me a word, because I honestly don't know what I think about this right now. I kind of miss all of the greenery. This is interesting. Can I show you, look at one waterfall that right there, so? My new friend, what's your name? What? Kahi. Hi, Kahi. Okay, what do you think about the changes over here, so?
I don't like it.
You don't know? Say it again.
I don't like it.
Hold on, what Kahi friend name?
Carla?
Carla,
Yeah.
what do you think about it? Yeah.
It's still one.
Yeah, you miss the little greenery, the plants and stuff?
Yeah.
I just feel like a party I gotta keep running them. I'm gonna start have some soca party and some stuff. So this is the place. This is the place. I'm still undecided. I mean, I wait for see when everything is done. I guess I'm gonna put a waterfall right here, so put some more plants here, so, and everything is going to be to the enjoyment of everyone. But I mean, I get the vision. I guess it's, business is the priority, and that is what they're trying to facilitate. All right, well, that is it. Thank you, reporter Dutty. And you'll be seeing him in more newscasts. Yeah, and just ignore the fact that my outfit will change, okay? Just ignore that. Now let's get into a new segment called Fluffy Moves. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy moves. Now this Caucasian figures stunned the crowd at Rick's Cafe. Now, woman steals the show doing the TikTok choreo for the song Ambala. Amba. My favorite part of Ambala, you know. Ambala. You see the little... Yeah, man, the best part of the song. Now, times have definitely been hard, but this man has found quite the lucrative career. You have to do what you have to do, you know, you're big people. No, I honestly, no, I have no idea how to set up this video, but I'm going to consider it mixed parts in motion. Yeah. Okay, so that's it for fluffy moves. Now let's get into this story that is going viral. Now, a little boy got upset after his friend tried to steal his solo on the choir.
When you thought you had a solo for the Christmas program.
There can only be one Beyonce. Yeah, man, one lead, no other else. Now, switching things up, Short Boss dances to Skeng. Now let's get into another segment, Elder Stories. Elder Stories. Now, an elderly woman revealed how she got her grandson to pass all his exams.
Yeah, Grandma, is it true you hooked up with my science teacher?
You passed, didn't you?
Oh wow, and all my granny do a pray for me. Now, an old lady is in police custody after dragging an entire taxi full of passengers.
What?
In pushing I kiss me you make me out harder.
I don't have a bad attitude. Maybe I am angry inside. I've been through stuff, so I'm angry.
Now, this senior citizen is on the hunt for a suitable partner ahead of the Christmas festivities.
I am single. I would like to shoot a shot because when a man is single, he's lonely. I'm single. Shoot the shot. If you want a man, shoot the shot.
You know what? Everybody need love. All of we out there need love. So if you know someone, help out this brother. And finally, Grandma gives advice to all travelers.
If you have sex with someone from another country, make sure you give it your best, because you'll be representing the whole country. Make us proud.
Okay, definitely making a note of that. Next time I travel, I have to dagger to the best of my ability to show my Jamaican pride. Thank you. Okay, all right. And that is it for Elder Stories. Well, that is it for this edition of Dutty News. I hope you enjoyed. Ensure that you like, you comment, you subscribe, and all of these things for more broadcasts. Well, that's it for Dutty News. Take care until next time, where I will be talking about trending things that I see on my timeline. Do take care.